figure out what is -1 to the 2004 plus in parentheses, -1 to the 2005 plus 1 to the 2006 minus 1 to the 2007. Yes, it's a big mouthful to say. It's a big mouthful to say. Exponents. So first I say, since parentheses could be extremely important in exponents, it does say that this 2 to 2004, our 2004 power, only takes care of our 1. So then, all this means is we add a negative sign to the 1 raised to 2004, but we don't even have to multiply 2004 once. We just know that 1 to the anything power, the history of the world, is still 1, and then can't forget about the negative sign. Put a negative sign there, I'll get -1. But here we do have parentheses, but here's -1 raised to 2005 for any integer n. Parentheses -1 to the nth power as long as n is odd always equals -1. And you can try that out. You can actually, I know, it's a little ridiculous of what I'm going to say, but actually try to multiply out 2005 -1s. That can be a lot of fun, but you can check it if you want. And if you don't get -1, you better multiply those 2005 -1s all over again. And then, here we already covered 1 that to the anything power is still 1. And here, same thing here. 1 to the anything power, 1 to the anything power is still 1. And of course, +1 minus 1 gives us 0. These two cancel out. So now all we're left with is -1 plus -1. And this just means -1 minus 1, which of course you all know by now. That's -2. Now, first of all, I want to cover two things. One kind of simple, one kind of more mathematical. So this -2, first of all, it's actually a little kind of surprising, because usually these kinds of problems with a bunch of 1 to the something power or -1 to the something power, they usually result in -1, 0, and 1, but that wasn't exactly what I was trying to cover. Is that what we're trying to do is this. It may seem like pretty familiar to you that you didn't have to use all this time to compute all this. And it's true, it is pretty easy. We weren't expecting that you'd get stuck on this problem. And I mean literally get stuck on this problem. I just wanted for you to review your exponent rules. I mean, look at all this stuff we use, like how parentheses were important and 1 raised to anything powered. You know what I mean. Got that? Good. Since I'm gonna go take a drink.